Tesla's European dream is tanking. Sales down nearly 50% in 2025. From king of EVs to a continental crisis, what's killing the vibe? Stick around to find out. Hey tech fam, Tesla's European sales are in free fall, 40 to 49% down this year, and the buzz is wild. Today we're digging into why the EV giant's stumbling across the pond. Let's roll. Here's the tea. Tesla's European sales are nosediving. Tech Radar says February 2025 registrations dropped 40%, 16,900 cars versus 28,000 last year. Wired pegs it worse, 49% down for January to February combined. While Europe's EV market grew 26%, Tesla's share shrank from 18 to under 8%. Germany's brutal. 94% of 100,000 polled by T-Online won't touch a Tesla. Ouch. Expo scream competition. BMW, Volkswagen, and China's BYD are eating Tesla's lunch with fresher, cheaper rides. Why the crash? 3 biggies. First, Elon Musk's far-right flex, like backing Germany's AfD, has sparked boycotts and torched dealerships. Second, Tesla's lineup is stale. Model Y's refresh lagged, shipping only in March. Third, rivals are relentless. BYD's sales soared 40% globally, undercutting Tesla's $40,000 base. Add Trump-era tariff threats and Europe's saying no thanks. Shares down 42% this year. Investors are sweating. Is this the end? Maybe not. Musk's betting on robo-taxis by June and energy storage growth. But Europe's a tough nut. Competition is fierce and trust is frayed. Ex-users say it's Elon's vibe is scaring the buyers. Will a price slash or new model save it? 2025's make or break. What's your take? Tesla toast in Europe or staging a comeback? Drop it in the comments.